Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to export multiple photos at the same time on the Photos application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Photos application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Photos application. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now what we will do is navigate within our library, which we are on screen. Let's now highlight multiple photos at the same time. Go to File, go to Export, and we can now export 3 photos all at the same time. Click on this, and then we can change the type of export we require. Photo kind JPG, quality maximum, color profile compatible, full size, that's fine. File name, use title, subfolder format, none. Let's click on export. This will now require us to export within our folder on our Mac computer. Within the desktop, I will create a brand new folder, call that Photos. Click on create. And now we are in that folder. So let's now export. Let's now move to a new desktop, and there we have that Photos folder created. Click on this. Increase the size of the Finder window. Now change the view type, and there we have these photos that have been exported all at the same time from the Photos application. Spacebar to view an image. That's fine. Let's now quit Finder. Let's now go back to the Photos application. Let's now quit Photos. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.